아침부터 서투른 아침을 차리느라 바쁜 엄마와
What are you doing?
그를 놀리기 바쁜 아이들.
What's burning? Our breakfast?
What's burning?
Oh, for crying out loud.
시즌 1보다 화목해진 조의 가족입니다.
I got an idea. Waffle Palace.
Yeah, Dad, that's a great idea.
남이 해준 아침을 즐기던 조는 심각한 뉴스를 보게 되는데요. 하원 의원 에르난데스가 카르텔에 납치되었다는 소식이었죠.
It is worth noting that Congresswoman Hernandez has been pushing legislation that would allow U.S. military forces to be deployed on U.S. soil.
Smart lady. She's got a tracker holding her in a house in Ojinaga.
그녀는 만약을 대비해 추적기를 지니고 있었지만
Send an HRT team and go get her.
I can't send HRT into Mexico.
타국 영토에 공식적으로 군을 파견하는 건 쉽지 않았는데요.
She's on a tracker.
Congresswoman's wearing a tracker. They're holding her just across the border.
They're gonna move her deeper in country.
We have a few gray work guys standing by. Intercept when they move her. Not sure they want quiet. They just don't want a SEAL team.
국무장관 멀리는 이번 납치에 중국의 입김이 있다고 생각했고
It's China.
We think that's a likely possibility.
China is Mexico's #1 trade partner in crude oil and natural gases, as well as gold. Any military response to this on Mexican soil renders our opposition to a move into Taiwan as hypocritical to both NATO and the UN.
선거 전 사태를 진압하라며 멕시코 지역에 라이어니스 투입을 결정합니다.
Get a lioness on the ground? Or two? You can have 3 weeks.
There was an election in November.
Well, the area of the abduction is the territory of Los Tigres, correct?
Could you be so kind as to grab his fucking phones and computers and anything else that might have some fucking intelligence?
Can I have a Delta team?
No Delta, no SEALs. You can have as many gray men as you like.
말도 안 되는 지시였지만 어차피 조에게 선택권은 없었죠.
Ridiculous ask, and it's impossible to execute.
Meet up with the ground detachment in Del Rio and go find one.
Put them on, get them to Bliss, we'll work out of there.
그 일에 앞서 조는 인질 구출 작전에 투입됩니다.
Something happened. I'm gonna be a few days.
Would you like us to wait on the tree?
No, don't wait for me.
Kiss the girls for me, okay?
Yeah, I'll do it.
그녀는 오랜만에 베테랑 군인들과 작전에 투입되었고
Getting a little long in the tooth for this, aren't you?
Well, you know what they say, Joe. Beware the old soldier. He's old for a reason. All right, boys, let's load up. Let's go to work.
그들과 함께 멕시코 국경을 넘게 되죠.
All right, everybody strap in.
I'll T-bone this fucker, clip him in the rear.
Congresswoman?
Yeah.
All right, you stay there. Let's go.
그들은 빠르고 확실하게 타깃을 확보했으나
Our jackpot en route to primary exfil location.
Roger that, Eagle 1. Left lane is held for exfil.
My family. What did they do to my family?
They killed him.
Police are blocking off Benito Juarez.
멕시코 경찰이 빠르게 대응하며 쫓기게 됩니다.
Heads up in the back. Enemy has eyes on.
Enemy Vic, 6 o'clock. 150 meters and closing.
추격을 따돌리고 아군 공중 지원과 합류하기 위해 이들이 한 선택은
Look, we gotta do this on the pavement. When we get in the dirt, those Humvees are gonna move to flank us. We're gonna intercept up here. Is it 8 feet and then river?
Kyle?
Yeah?
If we get through this, I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna kill you.
무척 화끈했죠. 뒤이어 헬기가 합류하며 작전 종료되었지만
Get out of the fucking vehicle right now.
Kyle, let me get him out of here. He's gone.
팀원 하나가 탈출 중 사망하게 됩니다. 함께 납치되었던 의원의 가족들도 구하지 못했죠.
I'm an elected official. I should remain unemotional and seek justice and nothing else. But I'm gonna be a wife and mother first. When you find the people that did this to me,
My agency doesn't do courtrooms.
good.
You weren't kidding. Beware of the old soldier.
존은 이번 작전으로 또 한 번 노병의 대단함을 확인했지만
I'm sorry about Dean.
There were no bullet that got him. Chose to climb in the back of a Suburban.
Are you sticking around for this deal?
Yeah, they usually only send me in when the deal gets real fucked up.
그것과 별개로 무모한 작전에 분노하는데요.
Hey, motherfucker. Oh! I have a fucking family. You go kamikaze through the desert with no fucking plan.
She's back!
And we're a man down.
When's the last time you were in a firefight? It's been a while, hasn't it?
You wanna do some fucking cowboy shit? You do it on your own.
You know what I would be doing if I were you? I'd be calling that family you got.
암로이 작전 이후 그녀가 가족과 삶에 대한 애착을 갖게 되었기 때문이었죠.
Rough day at the office, huh?
You can say that.
Girls, it's your mother.
Mom, are you okay?
Hi, baby. I'm fine. I love you.
Love you too.
Love you, Mom.
This is Specialist Eleanor Vasquez, 23. She's Saudi Arabia.
wait. What is this?
존은 이후 더욱 황당한 지시를 받게 되는데요.
Are you picking my asset for me?
This is a joint operation.
That we run. You want to choose the asset, then you choose another case officer. I choose the asset, I choose the cover, I build the fucking plan, and I run it!
프라이드 높은 그녀에게 이 지시는 황당하기만 합니다.
They're trying to be helpful in their own way.
We have to figure the way in before we find the asset who goes in. I'll sit down with my team. Just give me 3 days.
3 days? Yeah. I'll meet you at Bliss.
You, Miss Artiste.
게다가 한번 죽음의 위기를 겪은 존은 작은 일에도 예민해집니다.
They bought all my drawings.
They did. Thank you.
그럼에도 그녀는 자신의 일에 큰 자부심을 갖고 있었지만
I saw you on the TV.
You didn't see me on TV, Kate?
Don't lie to me.
Yes.
Why you?
Because I'm who they send.
Why this job?
You never met my grandfather, Kate. My father would ask him why he would risk his life for a nation he barely knew. I had just learned to speak English. I'm not about to learn to speak German or Japanese. So you don't have to learn Chinese.
가족들의 이해를 바라기는 힘들어 보이죠.
This next one has me closer to home.
Gunfights on the border end up on the evening news.
Do us both a favor and stop watching the news.
Love you.
Love you too.
Promise me you'll try.
I will.
게다가 몸바쳐 일하는 팀원들의 처우는 열악하기만 합니다.
Can we get some field houses over here? Is this gonna work for your team? What about Kyle?
Are you kidding?
Bastards miss me or what?
You motherfuckers, you're still fucking alive.
There are 4 major cartels in Mexico.
그나마 브리핑 중 희소식을 듣게 되는데요.
The Chihuahua and Coahuila cartel, also known as Los Tigres, has the closest ties to the Chinese. This is the leader of the Los Tigres cartel, Alvaro Carrillo. But what's interesting is this is his brother, Pablo Carrillo. He's an immigration attorney in Dallas. And daughter, Josefina Carrillo. Flies Apaches for the first Cav. She's a badass.
적절한 잠입 인재를 발견했다는 것.
She's a helicopter pilot, Joe.
We get her dishonorably discharged. She flies to Mexico to blow off some steam. Visits her uncle, who she must know. I mean, look at that fucking house.
Yeah, but if we can get her in the house, why don't we just neutralize the target?
There's a Chinese agent with the Ministry of State Security pulling all the strings, and we're gonna find him.
I'm gonna run it up the flagpole. To really get set up, Byron.
You contact the asset, make sure she wants in.
조금 멀리 있긴 했지만 말이죠.
First cab is in Killeen. Our flight, let's go.
She's deployed.
Where?
Iraq.
Fuck. You're the gift that keeps on giving.
You're welcome.
I didn't say thank you, Kyle.
You will.
상부는 여러 가지를 우려했지만
We assume that her father is in contact with Carrillo, and the plan is simply send her home.
She's not a lioness.
She doesn't need to be because she can fly the operators to them.
What if DEA or HS intervenes?
They would evade, if possible, and if not, the unit would resist until contact is broken and an escape executed.
You want a war or do you want a prize?
바이런은 강력하게 밀어붙인 끝에 승인을 받아냅니다.
A congresswoman was kidnapped on American soil. Her family killed at the behest of the Chinese Ministry of State. Do it. The buck stops with you, you understand me?
You're green. Closer.
I'll do it.
그러나 이라크에 도착하자마자 습격이 반겨주었고 존은 특수부대 덕분에 겨우 목숨을 구합니다.
Damn, that's a beautiful day.
덕분에 도착과 동시에 새 요원 후보와 다투게 되는데요.
Are you Captain Corello? What the fuck do you think you're doing? You can't sneak into this fucking place. You think I fucking plan it? Stop acting like it's your first fucking day in the army. Hey, are you gonna call their parents? No, that's my fucking job. And do your job. Oh, I will, bitch.
존은 절대 밀릴 사람이 아니었죠.
You! I'm the highest ranking officer anywhere I fucking go. Some fucking teenagers with M16s from the first fucking Gulf War.
My order was to make it look routine, and that's what we did!
Now where's your office?
Why?
Because it's my fucking office now! You in my fucking office in 10 minutes.
Who the fuck is that?
The idea is the dark side, Captain.
새로운 라이언니스 후보 조시 카리오 데이와의 면담에 들어간 조.
How well do you know your uncle?
I don't have an uncle.
You have an uncle. And he's the leader of the Chihuahua Coahuila cartel, better known as Los Tigres.
그러나 조 씨는 생각한 만큼 적절한 인재도 아니었고.
Would you like something from me? What?
Your father's an immigration attorney. This is his office. That's your home. Explain that to me.
Ask my father. I see him once a year for Christmas, maybe, if that.
We believe.
Who's we?
The agency. I've been tasked to find the men who kidnapped Congresswoman Hernandez. What do you know about the Lioness program?
라이언니스가 되길 바라지도 않았습니다.
I'm a soldier. I'm not trained. I'm not an assassin.
Do you love your country?
물론 존은 점 찍은 것을 포기하는 사람이 아니었죠.
It's yes or no. It's a simple fucking question.
I've met plenty of women who went into the program. Do you know what I've never met? I've never met a woman who came out.
Do you love your country?
Yes. I love my country.
Do you have any tattoos?
No.
Prove it.
팀은 새 요원을 구하자마자 잠입 준비에 들어갑니다.
Gas company computers detected a leak inside your resident. Gracias.
They're in.
Cut it.
We found the problem. It's all good.
Power's back up.
When's our girl arrive?
Today.
Come on, Joe, what?
존은 새 라이언니스가 못 믿어왔지만
She's a second-generation Mexican who's never met her uncle. She doesn't speak a speck of fucking Spanish, and she's never been to Mexico. I don't buy it.
Treat her like you're flipping an agent. You can't trust any of them.
그녀는 이미 대대적으로 출격할 준비를 마친 뒤였죠.
U.S. Army personnel were killed in a friendly fire incident.
That's terrible.
Don't believe everything you see on the news, honey.
그러나 그녀의 가짜 전역 사유는 지지율에 영향을 끼쳤고
Where's your lioness now?
En route to Bliss. Our cover's pretty convenient.
의회는 추첨하는데요.
You approve the plant yourself.
Outrage over the incident isn't sustaining.
So push the press.
Press is resisting.
They're resisting to cover the kidnapping of a United States Congresswoman and the murder of her family on U.S. soil.
I think it's tragic. I think it's a dereliction of duty. The Congress refuses to act in the best interest of this nation because they're more concerned with the next election.
더 큰 위협을 위한 준비 단계라 주장해도 반응은 좋지 않았고
This is not a kidnapping. It is an act to study our reaction and the public sentiment toward whatever action we take.
This was a test case that they're going to base the next operation around. This was the USS Cole. Our lack of response to that was the green light to 9/11. That is what this is.
작전을 지원받기 위해서는 엉뚱한 곳에 에너지를 분산해야 했죠.
Who is holding up the votes in the Senate?
Albright and Fuller to start.
Let's go to work.
Do it.
이번에도 케이틀린의 남편 에롤의 도움으로 상대 정당을 흔들 수 있었고
The border's a terrible place to be bipartisan, Caitlin.
Just opine on the economic consequences of another high-profile target on U.S. soil.
3 days before the jobs report, I can do it in my sleep, sweetheart.
Very concerned. The Republicans are going to use this kidnapping as a bulldozer for their agenda, Caitlin.
They will, absolutely. And when there is an incident, which there will be, no, it was a probe. MSS oversaw the operation.
Cannot have the Army driving Humvees down streets of northern Mexico.
It won't be the Army, it'll be us. It'll be quiet. You should be terrified if it happens again.
Be a financial crisis worse than the 29 crash. And that's exactly what China wants.
Please, continue.
CIA는 원하는 걸 얻어내게 됩니다.
Cheers.
Old-fashioned, please. Get started. JSOC has a black fund. That's your war chest. Spend wisely.
This is home.
한편 팀과 합류한 조 씨.
Open bunk. Latrine?
All the way in the back.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
앞으로의 삶이 기대되는 첫날을 맞이하고.
You hungry? Grab something to eat.
So what gets us past this awkward bullshit?
We want to know you covered, and that's all we want to know, and all you need to know is ours.
속성으로 요원이 될 준비에 들어갑니다.
Take it for a test spin.
Do faster! What the fuck? Do faster!
You want to run the house?
Why not?
Target to my left, but I can't get a shot without exposing myself!
Point the knuckle of your index finger towards the target.
I don't understand. My pistol is upside down!
The pistol shoots fine upside down.
그녀에게는 괜찮은 자질이 있었지만
How is she doing?
Well, she's a helicopter pilot, doesn't know shit, but stays cool under pressure, takes direction fast, and executes what she's told.
We'll run her through the simulator.
Okay.
충분한 훈련 기간이 필요해 보였는데요.
All right, what should I expect?
You don't expect anything, you just react.
Fuck! Let her go! Let her go!
What are you, a cop? We're a kill team. We have targets. Eliminating a target is our mission.
And how do you overcome a 16-year-old girl with a gun to her head?
You shoot her yourself. Then you shoot the man behind her.
That's murder.
It's survival. I need another month with her at least.
그러나 기다릴 시간이 없었죠.
You got the whole thing planned out?
곧바로 그녀에게 작전에 대해 고지하던 조.
Care to clue me in on mine?
You're gonna go home to Dallas.
We don't have that type of relationship.
Mexican families are supposed to be close. What else do you know that you fucking forgot to tell me?
그녀가 거짓말을 했다는 것을 눈치챕니다.
She knows about her father. I don't know.
Do you know your uncle? Have you met him?
The one you said you never met, the one you said doesn't exist. Have you met him?
No, no dijiste la verdad.
Porque no lo sabía!
Doesn't speak fucking Spanish.
Congratulations, Joe. You just recruited a mole.
조 씨는 자신의 거짓말을 만회하려 가족을 포기해야만 했죠.
Stayed away because I don't want any part of what they do. I believe this.
No, you're here to protect them.
I joined this program because I love my country.
You love it enough to put your father in prison? You get one chance and one chance only.
But I love my country.
Yeah, we're about to find out how much.
Well,
Papa.
그러나 조는 여전히 그녀 혼자 현장에 보낼 수 없겠다고 생각했고.
While you headhunt for her uncle and use her father for the introduction, Linus is discovered, and she will be discovered in some capacity. Any siblings she might have, they'll also be killed. And you find it odd that she'd be resistant to such an endeavor.
I didn't choose her. This was chosen for me.
Why don't we treat her as a double agent, put an operator on her who will act as a shadow?
Should she turn, and I hope she doesn't, the moment she makes that decision needs to be the last.
Got it.
그녀를 감시할 새로운 요원을 찾기로 하는데요.
We gotta find a handler for our pilot. I need a shadow. You know what I mean? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
그때 조의 차를 쫓는 간큰 누군가.
I'm sharing my location.
I got it. What's up?
I got a tail.
Really?
No, I'm making it up.
You got a plate?
Registered to a Randall Newman. Newman was convicted of money laundering in 2021. What do you got? This clown's hugging me now.
그 정체는 뜬금없이 따라붙은 마약 단속국 요원 구테레즈였습니다.
Take a guess.
We'll get him on the access road. We box him.
Fine.
Hands on the fucking steering wheel. Well, Special Agent Gutierrez.
What the fuck is the CIA doing wandering all over the border? Like it's fucking Syria? The only thing you didn't bother doing is telling us you're there.
그는 의외로 공무집행 중이었고
Order came from DOJ. Whatever it is you think you're doing on the border, you better fill me the fuck in.
Hey, we don't want the world to know.
World already knows.
자신이 도움을 주겠다며 정보 공유를 요구했죠.
You're not dealing with some pedophile zealots. They'll just show up to a fucking sheriff's house with $1 million in cash. You think they kidnapped that congresswoman for no reason? They kidnapped her because she said no. You can clue me in. I am the file. You can't check out of a library.
We're wheels up. At a Simmons. At 0600.
Where?
I don't know you to tell you where. By the time you get on that fucking plane, I'm gonna know everything about you.
존은 일단 그를 작전지로 불러내기로 합니다.
Up 6, right 4. Hit confirmed.
그녀는 뒤이어 옛 동료를 찾아갑니다.
What do you want me to do? I'm a man short on my strike team. I'm inserting a double. I need a shadow. Intervene if she flops.
암로의 사건 이후 요원 임무에 환멸을 느낀 크루즈는 강력하게 요원 복귀를 거부했지만
You spent the last 90 days on the bow of a ship killing pirates. Do you feel good about that?
We got thousands of operators to choose from.
No, I don't. I don't know if I can trust this girl, but I know that I can trust you because you put mission above all else. Think of all she knows, all she can fucking give them if someone doesn't go there and point her downrange.
I said I was out. I'm out.
존은 오늘 설득이 아니라 통보를 하러 왔죠.
So your options are quit or pack your kit.
I ain't wearing any fucking dresses.
I'll pick you up in 3 hours.
All my kit.
Guns, gear, armor, nods, the whole fucking deal.
Our new best friend of the DEA just gave us a snack. Warehouse 30 miles south of the border.
구티에레즈는 구미가 당기는 미끼를 던졌는데요.
This reeks of setup. Let me talk to Caitlin about this.
I already checked in. They said go.
상관들은 그를 끌어내는데 거부감이 없어 보였고
He is elite and he knows what's being asked when he climbs in the ring with us.
Elite. That clown was following me like a rookie carjacker.
He wanted you to spot it.
And we're gonna have to grease the wheels, or they will kick and scream until the operation itself is in jeopardy. It's just better to bring him in from the beginning.
He serves warrants. He's not a soldier.
He's a soldier tonight.
No, he's not.
덕분에 그녀의 팀에는 뉴페이스 툴이 늘어나게 됩니다.
You know this guy?
Nope. I know her.
Welcome back.
Typically, these warehouses are used as staging areas.
구티에레즈가 꺼내든 카드는 밀수품이 있다고 추측되는 창고 습격.
Based on the number of vehicles parked outside.
So you don't have a fucking clue of what's in there. How old are these images?
Last month.
최신화도 안 된 정보까지 덤으로 주어졌지만
Oh, shit. Looks a lot different present day.
You wonder why we're losing the war on drugs.
It's supposed to look like a rival cartel, not military.
Well, the rival cartel looks outnumbered.
기관들이 바라는 성과가 필요했기에 소규모 침투 계획을 세우게 되죠.
We infill half of the team here. We run 300 subsonic. While Bravo team enters from the left flank, Alpha team moves up. Bravo team, explosive breach, really fucking easy. 2 teams of 5. We get compromised, Little Bird comes in hot and gets us out.
I'm good with this. Cleo on the night.
You're up.
This is fucking insane. We had a 20-minute briefing.
Welcome to the CIA.
팀은 어둠을 틈타 창고 습격을 감행하는데요.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3 vehicles approaching from the west.
그때 창고를 향해 경찰차가 접근하고
Sedans.
Then light him up.
진입조는 급히 창고 안으로 들어섭니다.
Bravo team execute.
Clear.
What the fuck is this?
그러나 창고에 가득한 것은 마약이 아니라 어린 아이들이었죠.
To confirm, you want me to engage the vehicles.
Engage, kill them all. And then come back and get us.
Proteger.
존은 아이의 신발에 추적기만 심어둔 채 창고를 떠나게 됩니다.
Exfil, 90 seconds. Let's go. Fucking leave. Load 500 kids on the bench of a little bird.
We move!
What the fuck was that?
틀려도 제대로 틀린 정보에 극대노한 조.
I didn't see many drugs with all the fucking children they're trafficking.
My intel said that warehouse was a transshipment station.
It is a fucking transshipment station!
Joe!
What?
그들을 위해 할 수 있는 게 없다는 것에 더 화가 났지만
Those are children, Kyle. And in 2 weeks, they're someone's fucking sex toy.
No narcotics?
Only the humankind, sir. We'd like to try, sir.
Joe, this isn't surgical. This is 82nd Airborne. It's not what we do.
That's easy for you to say. You aren't the one leaving them behind.
Now turn your heart off and your brain back on.
What a fucking mess.
그날 현장에 나갔던 모두가 같은 기분을 느끼고 있었고
You getting back in the game, boss?
Negative.
We're not going after them. They wrote the zip code of their destination on these kids' fucking hands, okay? That's how worried they are about being detained.
I asked. Washington said no. Back to Dallas, insert her today.
No, I did not sign up for this. I did not.
It doesn't work like that.
Then fucking court-martial me! I can't wait to testify!
Bobby?
Yeah.
Check your email.
아이들을 외면할 수 없었던 조는 결국 방법을 찾아내게 됩니다.
I got a tracker on one of the kids. They could be muling these kids.
It's doubtful, but yes.
If I knew where they were crossing, what would you do?
Do you know when?
I know when.
I'd stage an SRT unit to intercept once they crossed.
조 씨는 자신에게 주어진 임무를 받아들이지 못하는 모습을 보입니다.
Did you complete your mission?
Yeah.
I completed my mission. Do you know what my mission is? I'm supposed to look at people I love in the eye, take their freedom, maybe even their lives. Look the only person I ever loved in the eye, lied to her, then blew her world apart right in front of her. You know what I learned?
크루즈는 그녀가 임무를 수행해야 하는 이유를 깨우쳐주려고 노력하지만
5% of people are saints. 5% are evil. The other 90, they're just sheep. Your father is saying he is not. Is he a sheep? Think about the 9-year-olds at the warehouse before you answer that. No. So he's evil. No. Morally compromised. But you swore an oath when you enlisted, and there was no asterisk beside it. We could choose not to fight, but choosing not to fight is how warehouses fill up with children.
Have you formed an opinion about our lioness?
Yeah, doesn't want to be here.
그녀에게 회유책이 필요하다는 판단을 내리죠.
Why don't you just turn him?
Nobody's ever made an informant out of a top-tier cartel member ever.
Look, he's not a terrorist. He's doing it to get rich. Look, she doesn't believe in the mission. You don't believe in her. Give her something to believe in. Let her believe her family has a chance, and then give them one.
You that smart?
일리가 있는 말이었기에 조는 그녀의 조언을 받아들이기로 합니다.
And limit risk to your family. If he cooperates and your family is moved, then your family is placed in protective custody.
If he says no,
take him into custody, freeze his assets, confiscate all his personal property. Who do you think they're gonna go after first?
say he agrees. Then what?
Mission stays the same. You bring us closer to Alvaro. We identify his contact with MSS. That's it. Do you think you can sell that?
I can sell that.
두 라이어니스는 댈러스로, 조는 창고가 있는 엘파소로 돌아갑니다.
Don't take your eyes off of her. I'll be back tomorrow. Let's go. We ready?
Thank God. Shit.
Gutierrez, where's your team?
Idling outside.
Oh, why are you ringing the doorbell? It's your house, isn't it?
Fuck, I don't know.
친구인 척 함께 잠입한 크루즈는 조 씨가 임무를 완수할 수 있도록 돕는데요.
So, who's your friend?
Cruz.
Welcome.
Thanks. Hey, I don't talk about this in front of my mother, do I? We have dinner, you tell him the truth. Most of the truth. Don't let him out of your sight once you've made him the offer, you got it? There's eyes everywhere in here. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Not here anyway, okay?
준비한 시나리오를 잘 늘어놓았지만
Then why were you discharged?
Tell them the truth. State Department sent officials to our base through known enemy territory without notifying the base for proper escort. I was sent to provide cover, which I did, but rather than they take the blame themselves, they decided to say that I initiated the assault.
We should have given you a medal.
That's what I said.
You in the army?
As a Marine.
Women and fags and fucking ladyboys and dykes. That's our army now.
파블로는 쉽게 넘어올 것 같지 않았죠.
The first sign an empire is failing is when its people question the institutions the empire was built on. Attack themselves like a cancer, attack the people who protect the empire, attack you for protecting it. And the new empire will rise from its ashes. Then the cycle begins again.
조 씨는 오랜만에 만난 아버지가 낯설게 느껴졌고
There's a time I thought of my father as this immovable force. What is he now? I don't know who he is. So why am I so fucking scared to do this? There's a psychology course in building sources. It says your father will always be the man he was in your fondest memory of him. You gotta remind yourself you ain't 9. You're a woman. And he is half the man you made him out to be, if that. I might need to take this course. Imagine all the grief it would save me dating.
자신을 위로하는 크루즈에게 친근감을 느끼게 됩니다.
It needs to happen this morning. Your father's too smart. He's gonna figure out what this isn't real quick.
이때 국경지대로 향한 조와 구티에레즈는 아이들을 이동시키는 세력을 지켜보는데
Armed personnel, you're 1 o'clock. 100 meters. That counts 6.
Move to contact.
Coming across the river.
Take the lead.
갑작스러운 폭발과 함께 총격전이 시작되고
I got him. 3 o'clock.
Can't positively ID the child.
난데없는 드론까지 등장합니다.
The drones are armed.
The drones are armed.
이 실패한 작전에 피날리는
Looks like she's coming up around your 1 o'clock.
I got her. I'm almost there. Alto, policía! Alto!
인질 전원의 구출 실패로 이어졌죠. 조는 자괴감에 빠졌고
CBP arrived. They want a statement.
We had intel on a smuggling ring that overlapped with a DEA investigation, and we're unable to speak on that for risk of jeopardizing undercover agents still in the field.
Boss, it ain't your fault.
Would she still be alive if we hadn't tried to save her?
섣부른 판단을 책임질 순간을 맞이하게 됩니다.
You know, this is how they play.
It's how they always played. The technology got better.
Not suicide vest on a fucking cargo.
Medevac's a day late and $1 fucking short.
That's not medevac. That's for me.
돌이킬 수 없는 선택임을 뼈저리게 깨달았죠. 조 씨는 날이 밝자마자 아버지에게 용건을 전하는데요.
They know.
Who's they?
They know, Daddy, why you don't own a computer.
Who is
How do you afford this house? How do you afford this staff?
CIA 일로 접근했다는 걸 안 그는 격한 반응을 보였고
CIA. Special activities.
What do they want?
Alvaro, I know what he is, Dad.
Let me tell you about the CIA. They don't care about drugs. And they don't care about some South Texas congresswoman living in a $6 million house a half hour from the border.
Daddy, fucking go ahead, please.
크루즈가 개입해 상황을 마무리하게 됩니다.
I got the house backyard.
Sit the fuck over there. Option number 1, we arrest you right fucking now, start seizing your assets, place you in county. Option number 2, a foreign operative either funded or planned or both the killing and kidnapping. We want him. You have about 30 seconds to make a decision before it's made for you.
이 소란이 벌어지는 동안 또 다른 이슈가 생기는데
The fuck? The fuck is this?
No hablo,
Don't play
no
games.
hablo inglés.
I've been watching you.
¿Eres policía?
Sí.
Ustedes están escuchando.
파블로의 가정부가 구티에레즈의 정보원이라는 사실이 드러나죠.
Has a DEA contact. Guess who?
Shit.
God damn it, Joe.
This is my personal.
Yeah, well, work phone ain't working, boss.
What the fuck?
We got problems on this Dallas deal.
Oh, we're at a 10, boss.
Reinvent. We need a whole new deal.
What I want to do is move to a secure
location, but here's the fucking kicker, man.
A staff member is an asset for another group.
노출된 작전에 변경을 지시하던 조는 몸의 이상을 느끼는데요.
What the fuck?
그녀는 생각보다 심각한 상처를 입은 상태였고
You better be in the air.
I took one in the field.
Location of the hit?
Right side.
I'm diverting your flight to Liberty.
I want to call my husband.
Use your personal.
You.
Joe, what is it?
The girls are gonna take this really hard.
Joe, what happened? Joe.
Joe, you with me?
남편에게 전화를 끝으로 정신을 잃게 됩니다.
Gutierrez looking like a mole. I want to get him in a vehicle with us and back to base. I want to beat the truth out of this motherfucker. Suits flying in from Langley. They want to have a big talk with you.
Haven't been cleared to vacate the scene yet.
He just cleared you.
카일은 구테레즈가 첩자라는 결론을 내렸고 그를 납치하게 됩니다.
Hey, what are you doing?
When you get caught flipping in our game, we're gonna wring every lie out of you, and then we're gonna kill you. It's a 3-hour drive to base. That's how long you have to accept.
Let's get her up.
The agent DEA sent over, he was working a member of the Carrillo household. He knew security was staged across the street, and he never shared any of it.
케이틀린은 그를 이용해 무너지는 작전을 세워보려고 하는데요.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna do a lot more than turn it on him. Beat him over the fucking head with it. But I'm very fucking pissed about it.
그러나 언론은 이미 국경지대의 폭발건으로 달아올랐고
Since the ill-fated raid on the Branch Davidian compound some 30 years ago.
Whose fault is that?
It's not ours.
서로 책임 떠넘기기가 시작돼버렸죠.
Return the Congresswoman, which we did, with an asset not of our choosing, with agencies that we specifically warned against working.
And then run a nighttime raid in Mexico on a human smuggling operation, and don't bother rescuing the smuggled humans when you fucking find them.
That was mandated by you.
We have never mandated any parameters to the execution of your missions.
Fucking bullshit!
Come on, everybody sit down. Now we have a series of catastrophes that need to be contained.
이번 작전은 더 이상 조용히 처리할 수 없는 뜨거운 감자가 되어버립니다.
If I may, we have made contact with Carrillo in Dallas. We have a lioness and the shadow. They're embedded. Once inside, they were compromised by security personnel unknown to the operation. We were given a timeline of days to insert, giving us no time to mine proper intel. And two, the DEA agent that was assigned to our task force has an informant working in the Carrillo estate. Carrillo physically assaulted our lioness, which caused our shadow to have to intervene, which mandated QRF to have to take control of the scene. TFO has assisted in cleaning up the scene in Dallas. Meanwhile, we have to decide whether we're going to act with the information we possess or whether we're going to shut the operation down.
바이런은 결국 작전 경로를 수정해야 한다는 의견을 내고
We are currently holding number 2 in the Chihuahua Coahuila cartel. We shift it from an insertion to a hard target hit. We transport Carrillo back to Mexico. We focus on the senior leadership within that cartel. And we hope that MSS is embedded with that leadership.
작전을 완전히 묻어버려야 한다는 조건과 함께 승낙을 받아냅니다.
We cannot and will not authorize one. What I'm saying is, we can't authorize it. Understood?
Understood, sir. Get to Bliss, then Dallas, find us a way out of this tornado. If the target's the way out, so be it. If not, just get me contained.
Byron.
그러나 멀리는 내심 CIA가 작전을 지속하기를 바랬고
The enemy is at the gate and we left it wide open. Slamming it shut now could end careers, could end yours, could end mine. But we have to do it. They found a way in. You know, we're not the only country with open borders. Maybe it's time we reminded our adversaries of that.
We can do that.
자신이 책임을 질 거라는 뜻을 내비치게 되죠.
You keep us informed, okay?
Sir, I have a family. You can't ask me to jump on that grenade.
I'll jump on it.
카일은 구테레즈를 위한 맞춤 신문에 들어가는데요.
How long you been on the maid?
Where is he?
Bathroom.
Take that off. Your wife is Amanda.
가족 공격에도 그는 바라는 정보를 토하지 않았습니다.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to release your home address. Because killing you isn't going to satiate our appetite to do you harm for what you've done to us. You have to surrender everything.
You think I planned yesterday? Half my fucking team is dead. She nannied my oldest son. I didn't wire her until you guys showed up. You don't trust me?
What'd she give you?
Nothing. He does no business at the house. Now how'd he buy that house? A guy named Peter Ramon built it, and then he fucking died. And guess what? He left it to Carrillo, but proof, one shred of evidence, doesn't exist.
30 milligrams of methylphenidate. Polygraph him.
이 공간의 누구도 그가 무고하다는 걸 믿고 싶지 않았죠.
What if he bails?
Dump him in the river.
Afternoon. Would you mind having a seat?
Where's my husband?
Would you hand me your cell phone? We're gonna take you to him, okay?
그 말이 진짜면 이 난장판을 처리할 방법이 없으니까요.
Look at me. Look at me. I need help. Come on. No, you're gonna feel better in a couple seconds.
존은 한동안 안정을 취해야 하는 꽤 큰 중상을 입었는데요.
Turns out it wasn't a bullet. It was a fragment of your cell phone. It lacerated your hepatic artery. The chances of repeat arterial dissection are limited, but no heavy lifting, no intense activities. Like you take it pretty easy for the next week. We're gonna keep her one more night, then you can take her home.
닐은 이번 일에 큰 충격을 받았고
Here's what I learned. Our girls are strong. They'll survive, right? They'll hurt. They'll survive, Joe. I won't make it, Joe. If you die doing this, Joe, you're gonna kill me too.
Then leave me. We both swore to sacrifice me, and if you're not strong enough, then get stronger. Because I can't unswear this oath.
서로를 사랑하기에 갈등은 점점 더 깊어지게 됩니다.
And I'm hunting how to make peace with walking away for you, for them, for me. But I have to find it, and I haven't yet, okay?
Well, I hope you find it before you run out of chances.
I ain't lying.
Well, we're about to find out.
Give it your best shot.
거짓말 탐지 조사 결과
Have you ever taken a bribe?
No.
No, huh? You ever been offered payment by a criminal or representative of a criminal organization?
Yes.
Did you report the offer to your agency or another agency?
No.
Why the fuck not?
All I've tried to do is help.
Then answer the question!
Fuck you. This ain't even legal.
See, I want you to answer the question.
Does my answer leave this fucking room?
Your answer doesn't leave this room.
I didn't report it because I killed the man who made the offer.
구티에르즈는 무고하다는 결론이 나옵니다.
We can't keep drugs out of our own fucking prisons. So how are we gonna keep a product that's worth over $300 billion from crossing 2,000 miles of border and over 12,000 miles of fucking shoreline? They've brought just the right amount of sheriffs, the right amount of judges, congressmen, special agents, senators to bypass the whole fucking system. Think you're gonna solve the whole fucking problem?
완전히 대형 사고였지만
Caitlin, he's a Boy Scout. So what's the play here? I mean, this is clearly blown.
This is a ticking fucking time bomb.
Can I have a moment with him, please?
케이틀린은 다시 그와 손을 잡으며 이 사태를 수습하려 노력하죠.
Well, you can understand our suspicions. You have an informant in the target's residence. You never inform us.
I know what it looked like.
How do we find common ground? You've come this far. You want to see it all the way through? Put all of this behind you. Give him his service weapon. Give him his cell phone. We are back on the same side.
No hard feelings.
I'm just gonna put him aside for now.
There's Lucky and then there's you. How many migrants in the group? Can you remember?
존은 작전에서 포착한 이상한 점을 전달하는데요.
Drones were the last to hit us. In an ambush, they hit first. Bomber wasn't there for us. He was there for contained. To keep us from an asset.
바이런은 그녀를 당분간 현장에서 배제하기로 결정합니다.
You can run it from Langley.
That's not what I do.
We have crews on the ground. You director.
I'll be there, and I will decide which members of my team are deployed where.
And they are, to a man, expendable. You are not expendable. You rest up. Desk ain't any easier.
그러나 케이틀린의 의견은 달랐죠.
Stopping a human smuggling ring was not the mission. Eradicating foreign intelligence influence over cartels was the mission, and we failed. We need a target, and we need containment, and we need it fast. Are they releasing you in the morning?
Yes.
Joe, hold on.
문제는 닐이 그녀를 과보호하기 시작했다는 거였지만
Girls? Mom?
Oh, what is this?
No stairs for, at least a week.
Not my doctor.
Joe, do you have any idea how fragile an artery is?
I'm gonna go take a shower.
영혼을 현장에 두고 온 존은 남편에게 또 한 번 상처를 주게 됩니다.
Is the car outside?
Yeah.
God damn it, Joe. Your health is not something to be stubborn over.
Neil, I'm gonna do something I said I would never do. I'm gonna talk about my job. Charlie's age, we found abducted and sold into slavery. Slavery for what? Who knows? Now imagine this little girl staring at you in the desert as the man beside her detonates a suicide vest. I'm not gonna rest. I'm gonna make sure that never happens again.
작전회의에 참석한 조.
What is she doing here?
I asked her to be here. It's a joint deal. Let's play nicely, play together.
Go ahead.
Dai Xuan, Cantonese. This is Jun Hai Shang. He's actually an American citizen born in Fullerton, California, undergrad at MIT. They arrived on Monday, and on Wednesday they were transported to Diyarbakir Air Base. It is a known transshipment point to Iran for assets and equipment. Our presence not far from there, as well as enhanced Kurdish militia elements, guarantees that the transport will probably be by helo. Unless you're comfortable with invading Iranian airspace, you could call in jets from Eisenhower, but then the whole world is watching.
I thought that this was related to our operation along the border.
바이런은 그 사이 적을 특정해냈고 그들에게 경고하는 것이 목표라고 했죠.
The mission is to show Iran and China that we aren't the only nation with an open border.
You sure you want boots on the ground? Because boots on the ground takes it out of our hands.
What about a dab from Sykes? Well, Sykes has the bird, I have the pilot. The one everyone chose for me.
인신매매범들에게 보복을 바랬던 조는 작전에 열의를 불태웠고
I want these targets eliminated in Iran. They need to know how far we can reach.
TFO runs intelligence logistics. Who has tactical?
I can do it. I need it.
바이런은 마지못해 그녀의 합류를 허락합니다.
You observe and advise only. Got it. Stay on base no matter what happens.
And don't become a liability. Alert the team.
Use it.
팀원들은 다시 한번 이라크로 향하게 되고
What are we doing? We putting her back in?
I'll explain on the plane.
Am I a part of this?
You're the part. We're gonna find out how well you fly. We got something else for you to fly.
Hey.
How you feeling?
Little tired, sore.
What's that sound, Joe?
조도 아슬아슬한 결혼 생활을 뒤로하고 비행기에 몸을 싣게 됩니다.
Just kiss them for me, okay?
And when you come home and decide to make your children a fucking priority like they deserve to be, then you can kiss them yourself, you fucking god.
중국인 과학자들이 이란 국경에 내리고
Helicopter is inbound to location, bearing southeast. Visual on target 1 and target 2. Over.
It's like deja vu all over again.
특수작전팀도 터키, 이라크, 이란의 접경 지역으로 향합니다.
They want your bird ready to move as soon as we reach base.
And they need a door gunner. I got you.
Look who's back.
My gear arrived?
동시에 조는 바이런의 지시를 어기기로 마음먹었죠.
Who's got the AT-4?
Bobby, I'll take it.
No, you won't observe and advise, boss.
I'm observe and advise unless one of my assets goes down. Then it's all hands on deck.
You get the asset, I got the armor.
This outpost is a half-click in-country from the Turkish border.
꽤 불리할 수 있는 작전이었지만
In short, this is a very well-armed, if not terribly well-trained outpost. Now, I'm not saying that that border is going to dissuade them if they are in pursuit. We will send up F-22s upon mission launch. We do not have a refueler in the region, so they have to fly in, drop their load, and then go home.
What do they got? Thermal, NV?
They've got a version of everything that we've got. Good luck, everybody.
All right, let's get ready.
What happened?
We have a developing situation.
큰 기대를 품은 멀린 또한 실시간으로 작전을 지켜봅니다.
There are two Chinese nuclear scientists en route to Isfahan nuclear base with information or supplies to enrich and activate Iran's nuclear capabilities.
Top right screen is the plant interdiction site.
What the fuck is he doing here?
Everyone isn't on this but the fucking commander-in-chief?
Meanwhile, nuclear scientists are crossing an open border to further endanger the security of this nation. They don't give a shit about ours. This is what we feel about theirs.
타깃의 이동과 동시에 시작된 작전.
Target fix are leaving location.
Roger, Shark 3-1. Move to Overwatch and intercept.
Thunder, you are Jezebel.
Jezebel. Roger, Jezebel. We are en route.
크루즈와 조 씨는 교전을 열었지만 얼마 못 가 추락하고 맙니다.
Can you walk? I don't know. Come on. Okay. Oh, my leg.
조 씨가 다리에 부상을 입으며 두 라이어니스는 적진 한가운데 고립되죠.
Yeah, you ain't walking. Fuck.
It's bad.
Not as bad as that.
Eagle One Thunder is down.
The bird is down!
조는 그들을 구하기 위해 직접 전장으로 향하게 됩니다.
ETA on Cass.
19 Mike.
We're gonna make it 19 minutes. Yes, ma'am.
Where is he?
Bedroom.
한편 CIA 상관들은 파블로를 만나고
Have a seat.
You look important.
I am. You see, we don't prosecute criminal cases. We eliminate threats to the national security of the United States of America. And when your organization began working with enemies of the United States to transport their agents into our country to attack that security, threat is exactly what you became.
We're here to eliminate the threat. Your brother's a threat.
그에게 확실한 협력을 요구합니다.
You want our trust.
We have your trust, it's all we need.
Refrain from working with our enemies. Inform us when they reach out. Work to eliminate their influence anywhere that you find it.
We think it's best if your organization is run from the States.
Is that possible?
In Mexico, we are free from prosecution.
What if you could have the security you have in Mexico with the freedom you have in the United States?
What about my family?
They get the same.
All of them?
All but one.
이득을 감지한 파블로는 제안을 선뜻 받아들였죠.
We'd like to see him tomorrow. First thing, give him his $300 million to start. How's that?
You'll want more.
More can be arranged.
Hermanito, necesitamos hablar.
드디어 만난 로스티그레스의 보스. 그는 너무나도 쉽게 동생의 손에 제거당했고
You want him now? Very much. Take it from here.
Guantanamo.
CIA는 목표를 이루게 됩니다. 이상하게도 개운하지는 않았죠.
I think the longer you're away, the harder it is to watch. Easy to forget how ugly this keeping the peace can be.
It's not what makes me sick. What makes me sick is how little will change.
Yeah, I got him.
팀원들은 추락한 두 사람을 구하기 위해 분투했고
Contact left!
Doesn't sound like a fair fight. I need you to be ready.
Fall back to the crash site now.
We move back! 2x2 to the crash site!
I'm coming from here! Go!
두 사람과 합류하는 데 성공합니다.
Is it bad?
She's done walking for the day.
Sword 3-1 is inbound on foot!
Cover fire! Reload!
그러나 더 많은 적군이 몰려왔고
Police your ammo! Night 1, this is Sword 3-2, ETA on Cass.
멀리는 작전 실패를
We need to call the president.
Call him.
팀은 죽음이 가까이 다가오는 것을 느낍니다.
Do you have your pistol with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Save it for us.
We do.
Reload! Fuck, I'm out!
이때 익숙한 구원자의 얼굴과 함께 조는 목숨을 구하게 되죠.
You gotta stop meeting this way.
Got a little nutty, huh?
살아남은 조는 복잡한 감정들을 느낍니다.
If I had a family, kids, I would have sent a missile.
No, you wouldn't.
자신에게 주어진 기회가 유한하지 않다는 것도 다시 느꼈죠. 라이어니스 특수작전팀의 두 번째 시즌은 가족에게 돌아간 조의 모습과 함께 막을 내립니다.
Wasn't sure you were coming home.
Wasn't sure I still had one to come home to.
You always have one to come home to.
지금까지 라이어니스 특수작전팀의 두 번째 이야기를 소개해드렸습니다. 첫 번째 시즌에 비해 우여곡절이 많았다는 생각이 들었는데요. 주인공 조의 조금 더 인간적인 모습을 볼 수 있었던 시즌이었습니다. 첫 번째 시즌에서 작전 성공을 위해 큰 망설임 없이 라이어니스의 목숨을 버렸던 조가 자신을 희생하면서까지 적진으로 뛰어드는 모습이 가장 인상 깊었는데요. 어쩌면 전장에 중독된 것처럼 보이기도 했지만 마지막 죽음을 직감하고 두려워하는 모습이나 살아남은 후 안도하는 모습 등을 통해 입체적인 모습을 보여주었죠. 옅어진 빌런의 존재감은 조금 아쉽게 느껴졌지만 인물들 사이의 연대는 한층 깊어졌던 것 같습니다. 제작이 거의 확실해 보이는 다음 시즌의 이야기는 이 깊어진 연대와 관련된 사건들을 기대해볼 수 있을 것 같습니다. 이상 버타임이었습니다.